Things I do for brands that don't sponsor me. Okay, so we're gonna do a whole Aritzia haul, and I kind of spent a little too much this time. Aritzia had a sale, and most importantly, I went to the Aritzia outlet. Obviously, I had to splurge because would I want 50 or 80% off there or pay 100% of the full price here in Seattle? So I love Aritzia, but like the price sometimes I feel like it's just, I have an Aritzia top. I don't remember what these are all called, but guys, who's in love with these green trousers? I literally wore this for the actual summer. I know that this color, I know that yellow. I just know like a very pigmented blue is like in right now for the summer, and it's only gonna last until the fall, and then the new collection is gonna start. Let's just say I got a lot of clothes. What I was kind of looking for was more like, I don't know, more cozy TNA, obviously, and just more loungewear. That way you can just wear that with anything. You can just go out, get boba with it. You can go to a friend's house, sleep over, whatever. You can Netflix and chill with that freaking outfit even on. First outfit, I got kind of like a TNA cozy fleece cropped sweater. I just love the cropped look at the bottom for when the wind is a little breezy, but it's not super cold outside. Price for this is $70 original, but I got for $35. It's literally insane. You can definitely carry this on over the fall, so I'm not really worried about it changing in terms of like trendy color-wise and whatever. You can wear this any day, anytime, and it's honestly very lightweight. Okay, next up, this one kind of matches my pants in a way, but I got the new Cozy Boyfriend polo in the green. This one is in the double XS, just cause it's really big, like not gonna lie. But you can definitely just wear this like even over my freaking pants, if I'm gonna be honest. Like if it's super cold, I could just easily do this. Even though it's kind of different shades of green. Honestly, I can see myself wearing this in like some kind of summer bonfire. Plain and simple, you guys, plain and simple. These have been going viral everywhere. It's either parachute pants, linen pants, whatever, but I got the Wilfred boardwalk pants. People either wear ones with like drawstrings or like just kind of plain like this. I bought this specifically for my Hawaii trip coming up in September. Original price in the double XS was $78, but I got it for $52. So not bad considering the fact that these type of pants, kind of like loose, straight, you know what I mean? Summer vibes is trending so much right now that everywhere is just bumping up the price. I might have camel toe, this is not good. Probably wear this outfit in Hawaii, not gonna lie. Holy crap. The fact that I almost spent over $100 on these type of pants, it's like thin, you know what I mean? I am gonna wear these over my bathing suit and just walk the streets of Hawaii. Like, it's that simple. And I'm not worried about sweating bricks in this. I just like snapped my nail even more. What the F is this? Jenny mine needs to literally come and fix this. My God. Okay, so next up, I do not have this color at all in my collection. Last year me would never have gotten this, but I ended up getting, I know, this is kind of a bold color, not gonna lie. Wouldn't think that I would ever pull something like this off, but I got the Airy Perfect and the Brilliant Blue. It's kind of just like a pullover sweater, but cropped in a way. It's very thin. And the reason why I really wanted this is because I saw people wear the TNA butter shorts with like the sports bra TNA on top, and then they would either wear this on top, right, with white shoes, or they would kind of just like cross it over their chest and kind of make it look like some kind of preppy look. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, I love it. As long as I am able to pair it with something like that, we're living for it. Original was $60. I got this in the double XS and I got it for $30. Like I said, we're still in the summer season, so I'm overly obsessed with the color yellow. I already have these shorts in like white grayish. I know you can get these type of shorts at H&M or Zara, but it's the fact that it's loose, thick, but then also fitted right here to the point where like, if I move one leg, you're not gonna see my cooch down there exposed. You know what I mean? So I've had problems with H&M freaking shorts doing that. Girl, y'all don't even have to worry about your underwear line showing too thick in here because these are already like thick itself. Yeah, I got the double XS in the Cozy Boyfriend in the gold mine color, and it was originally $50, but I got it for $19.99. Piggybacking off of those shorts, I got one that was the Cozy BF in like the 2-inch or something. That's what it's called, in the Vine Green. And I'm just like, I'm in love with this. Obsessed with the color green this season. Original price in the extra small was $50, but I got it for $25. I don't even mind matching my turf in the backyard. Last but not least, I have so many sports bras from Aritzia, like y'all don't even understand. And it's so comfortable, it's so basic. Oh, original price was $48. I got it in the extra small. I know this isn't like a huge difference, but I got it for around $35. So just the fact that this color is just so adorable, and it has padding on it because, you know, when it's cold, show those puppies, you know what I mean? But then again, free the nipple. I hope you guys enjoyed the outfits I put together. I always look forward to making videos and being able to talk to you guys. We just reached 45,000 Instagram followers, and I'm like, I'm down bad for you guys. Like, actually down bad. You know what I mean? So I just want to say thank you so much. We're already at 50K on Instagram. And then just about a few weeks ago, we hit our final 1.1 million mark on TikTok, because I know that I reached my 1 million on my actual birthday. So we're expanding, you guys. We are literally showing the love. Y'all are my online besties, and I look forward to making all of these videos for you every single week. Please, please, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, I'm always posting throughout the entire week. And we will definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love.